Hello students, today also we will learn simplification with the problems of a level difficult for us from learned earlier. In simplification we know that we use DMAS rule, and DMAS rule says what? DMAS means DMAS is a short form where D stands for division sign, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. The DMAS apply in two steps. First step is moving from left to right in a problem, and we have to solve division or multiplication whichever comes first. And in the second step we have to look at addition and subtraction sign moving in the direction from left to right whichever comes first. So these we already learned yesterday. Now as a revision I took it again. So let us take this problem. This one is a simple, difficult in comparison to yesterday. We can see that what is there? 45 minus 90 plus 8 into 5 minus 52 plus 60. The rule says that do division or multiplication whichever comes first. There is no division sign but there is one multiplication. So first we multiply and solve this. Remaining thing we write as it is. 45 minus 90. 8 5s are is how much? 40 minus 52 and plus 60. Now they are saying to follow addition or subtraction whichever comes first. Here we can see that there is subtraction sign. Subtraction is first, but what else is there? Here we can see that 90 is bigger than 45. It is not possible to subtract a bigger number from a smaller number. So what we will do? We know that there are other signs too of addition. This number 40 is coming inside, 60 is coming inside, 90 is going out. Subtraction means what? Giving away, and addition means taking inside. So first we add all the positive numbers. Let us check how much numbers we are having. Like money, that somebody gave you 45, some 40, some 60 and you have to spend 90 and 52. So you will first see how much money you are having in your hand. So first we add all the numbers together with plus sign. You have to add only plus. You don't have to add 90 plus 40 because this 90 is having subtraction sign before it. It means we have to subtract this 90. You can't add 52 and 60 because though the sign is between these two numbers, but this 60 is having plus sign before it, and this 52 we have to subtract. This 52 is having subtraction before it. So you have to look for the addition sign before the number to add. So when we add all this together and write my subtraction number after it, what we will get? Add all the things. Total how much money do you have? If somebody gave you 45, another person 40 and another 60. 40 plus 60 is 100 plus 45, 145. From this, now you have to spend 90 and 52. When you spend 90, you will be left with how much money? Show your calculation as your rough work in the side. 145 minus 90. 5 minus 0 is 5. 14 minus 9 is again 5. So here we will write for this 145 is addition of all these three numbers, and when we subtract 90 from 145 we will get 55, and from this 55 when we subtract 52 we know that there is a difference of how much? Only 3. So this 3 is our answer. Going to the next solution problem, which is longer than earlier one and having 4 multiplications in it. You can solve any of the multiplication or all the multiplications together. There is no preference of ordering of solving which one first. But if we are moving in the same direction, let us solve in the direction only from going from left to right. So this comes first, so we will solve it first. 64s are, we know the shortcut. 6 4s is how much? 24. At the end add 0. 64s is 240. Minus remaining thing as it is. 12 into 5, 11 into 3 plus 4 into 130. Now the rule says again multiplication or division, whichever comes first. So which sign is there? Multiply after subtraction. This we have to take care afterward. So first we solve all the multiplications together. 240 minus 12 5s is 60. Remaining leave as it is. Now in the next step what we will do? Again this multiplication sign we will solve. 240 minus 60, 11 3s is how much? 33. And the remaining as it is. Now in the end we will solve the last multiplication. 240 minus 60 minus 33. 4 zeros are 0. 4 3s are 12. 1 carry 2. 4 1s are 4 plus 1. 520. Now addition or subtraction, which comes from first? We can see that there is subtraction first. So what we will do? We first subtract. From 240 subtract 60. What you will get? 0 minus 0 is 0. Borrow 1. It will become 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 180. So we will solve for this and write what for this? 180 minus remaining as it is. So when you subtract 33 also from 180, what you will get? Borrow 1, it will become 10 and this will become 7. 10 minus 3 is 7, 7 minus 3 is 4 and 1. So answer over here is for this 147 plus 520. Add 520 to it. What we will get? 7. 4 plus 2 6. 1 plus 5 6. So our answer over here is 667. Thank you students.